Hello and welcome once again to my channel. In this lesson, I will teach you how you can handle radio buttons using Protractor Automation Testing. The first thing that I need to show you is the manual steps. Then I will give you the idea about the step-by-step automation code so that you can understand how you can handle any kind of radio buttons using our Protractor Automation Testing. To start with, we have a website here, and in this website we have a radio button. So I will show you the manual steps. In the manual steps, by default the red button will be clicked. Once we open this website, the red button is clicked by default. So we will click on the yellow in the first step and green on the second step. To go through the process, we don't have any kind of IDs here. We can check that we don't have any kind of IDs here. We have input and span. So we have to work with the limited resource we have. The best thing that we can utilize here is the XPath, and we will use the XPath text function. To check whether our XPath is correct or not, we will go to the Chrome console and we will check first. To check the XPath is correct or not, we will give in the console, we will give a dollar and then X, then a bracket. As it is inside the span, we can check that it is inside the span. So we will use bracket, we will use inverted commas, then span, and once we write the span, we have all the spans are coming out here. Then we will write text functionality. So we will give contains and we will use text comma green. Once we press the enter, we can see that we have one value. Okay, so we are getting a value, so that means our XPath is correct. So we will copy this entire XPath and we will use it inside our code. So now go to the code. I will just paste it here for the time being. So once we are ready with the XPath, we will start writing the code. We will copy the URL, we will paste it inside the browser.get. Then the first line that we need to write is that element by.xpath. Inside that we will write the XPath here, full XPath. We will do a click operation. The same way we will copy this entire code for the yellow part. So let me change here a bit here. First it will go to yellow click and then it will go for a green click. Okay, now let us add a browser.sleep of 2 seconds so that the process will become a bit slow and you can understand clearly. Browser of 2 seconds, browser of 2 seconds. Okay, so we are done. Now we will give a run. In the conf file, we will change to radiobuttons.js. The Selenium server is already running. So we will go and hit the run. The website will open and it will first go on a green click and then it will go on a yellow click, or maybe first it will go on a yellow and then on a green. Let me check. The red is clicked by default. Now it has clicked yellow, so you can check, and now it has clicked on the green. So this is how we handle the radio buttons using Protractor Automation Testing.